Magandang araw mga kapitbahay. Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Ako si Hans.
And I'm Rhea.
So, nakita nyo sa title and sa thumbnail, we're gonna unbox Usana products. Habang ina-unbox namin to, we're gonna tell you what our plans are, bakit kami
Meron
bakit meron kaming Usana,
and
so on and so forth. Ano pa ba? Yun. Okay. First time namin mag-unbox together and I'm really looking forward to doing more unboxing with my wife. Kung nga pala, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aming YouTube channel, click that subscribe button. Click the notification bell as well for future uploads. And pa-click na rin yung like. It would help the video get more exposure. So, yun. Let's start with the unboxing. Guys, pasensya na kayo at napakainit. Binuksan namin yung electric fan. Kakaligo lang namin pero pawis na yung asawa ko. Pinapakita mo yung hita mo. So, first thing out of the box, nakalagay siya sa eco bag.
one big elbow bound. And
By the way, shinip sa amin to. We didn't have to go anywhere.
yes,
Everything was done online. Zoom,
door to door.
door to door. So,
We have this.
buksan mo. That is
This is a Nutri-Meal Dutch chocolate.
dalawang piraso. Or the other one is
And the Nutri-Meal French vanilla.
okay, next item.
So, ito na yan. And lots of bottles.
Tingin, patingin.
We have
So, yan na yung mga
lots of bottles.
supplements. Meron sa ano to?
And this is the,
Usana water bottle mixer.
I think, yeah, this is the mixer for the, dito,
Buksan mo nga siya.
para dito.
Can you open it? I wanna see what the inside.
I think this is, ano, a blender.
Kaya nga, I want you to open it eh. So, is it?
Meron siyang ganito.
So manual. So, imi-mix mo lang siya. Inaalog siya with that inside. That's it? Yun lang yung laman ng ano?
Yes.
Pakita mo dito. Okay. So, mixer blender kind of thing. Ayan. Next
Next,
is yan na yung mga supplements or Usana products.
ilabas na lang natin siya. There.
What? So, Usana is worldwide.
Yes. And
May kasama siyang
may kasama siyang
transparent envelope. I think that's where you place all your materials, your documents. So these are most probably, I don't know.
manuals getting started. And
Pakita mo naman dito. Para makita ng audience.
the product information guide.
Okay.
And then terms and policies.
Okay, so yan na po yung unboxing natin. Makita niya napakadaming laman nung box na yon. 26 bottles of supplements. Kasi itong dalawang Nutri-Meal. This is 540 grams each. So, ayan. And then, meron din siyang Ito yung, ang tawag ko? Blender bottle or something. And then aside from this, yung transparent envelope, mga materials, yung eco bag, and ayan. So yun. So that's our unboxing. Yan po yung laman ng box. Dumating yan sa amin after a day. 1 day lang ba? Or 2 days? Hindi ko na pero mabilis lang siya. Hindi siya umabot ng 1 week. I think 2 days lang na-receive na namin yung box from Usana. Now, this is not sponsored. Hindi to sponsored ng Usana. We paid for that. Hindi yan libre, so binayaran namin yan.
Yes.
And most probably, a lot of these products we will personally consume. And that is one of the main reasons kung bakit nag-join kami sa Usana. Because, alam nyo naman, pandemic.
It's very timely.
Very timely. So, we've been looking for alternative businesses. And yung wife ko eventually found Usana through a friend.
Family friend.
Through a family friend. Na-introduce yung Usana. Although, matagal ko lang nakikita yung Usana. I've seen Usana. Madaming gumagamit nito ng mga athletes sa ibang bansa. Ang dami ko rin nakikita. I know my cousin sa Japan, si Jane, gumagamit ng Usana. And so yon timely because of what's happening right now. And since these are vitamins or supplements, I think it's going to be beneficial para sa amin personally. At the same time,
marami kaming matutulungan. Ako personally, I decided to avail these products para sa pamilya ko. Not just for me, but for my family. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, we can't just take our health for granted. Na we're aging, and ngayon, lalo na sa panahon ngayon,
tayong pandemic.
Oo. Health is wealth. Ika nga. Mas mahirap magpa-ospital kaysa mag-take tayo nito.
First hand na in-experience namin yan kung gaano ka-expensive.
Yes.
Ang hospital expenses. As you know, most recently, my mom passed away. Again, going back to Usana. So, matagal na yung Usana.
And ngayon lang na-introduce sa amin.
Parang ngayon lang talaga siya na-introduce ng really, what do you call that? Parang mas malinaw, mas marami kaming nalaman about Usana through a friend. Before kasi nakikita lang namin siya sa mga friends na nagpo-post, sa mga athletes, yun nga, sa mga personalities. But wala talagang nag-approach sa amin. Kasi as far as I know, wala naman talagang advertisements, commercials, print ads ang Usana. So not unless someone you know or an acquaintance would actually talk to you about it, you would never know what Usana is, what the benefits of what their products are, and what the benefits of those products are. Not unless someone actually approaches you and talks to you about it.
Yes.
And I think that's one of the reasons kung bakit kami nandito ngayon. Is so that
we can also share.
sorry. We can be that person for you. Para kami, libre to. We can help you get acquainted, get to know what Usana is, what their products are, and what their benefits are.
Yes. And how it could help you furthermore.
It could basically better your life further. Better life further. So, dami. Di ba? Tama ba? Tama ba ako? And before we got to Usana, we've been considering a lot of, madami, yung wife ko kasi, masipag yan mag-attend ng mga Zoom sa mga marketing or what we call MLM. MLM is multi-level marketing. So, bakit MLM? Dati, medyo pangit yung connotation ng networking because ang daming mga networking companies na parang palpak, no? Na parang all they focus on was basically the recruitment.
Yes.
Yung pera lang. Yung iba may product, madami dyan may magandang product, but we felt that those products are something na hindi siya masyado beneficial sa amin. Diba? And ito nga, we were finally introduced to Usana, and ang kagandahan ng Usana is even if hindi kami mag-invite or mag-recruit to join the Usana family,
Established na siya.
hindi lang yun eh. Ito lang, sulit na kami dito. What we paid for, yung kung magkano yung binayad namin para sa mga products na to, sulit na.
Sobra.
Sobra pa actually. Bawing-bawi na kami sa products na to. And we're really excited to find out kung ano yung magiging epekto nito sa amin personally and sa family namin, lalo na sa parents niya. So, that's what we are most excited about. Bettering our lives through bettering our health, moving forward, and sharing those experiences with you. But if you want to know more about Usana, you can message us directly.
Or
We're gonna
comment.
or leave. Hindi mahirap pag-comment eh kasi hindi namin kayo makakontact directly. You can message us directly if you want to learn more about Usana. Libre to. You're not gonna pay anything to basically join us sa mga Zoom. You are not obligated to buy as well kapag nag-join kayo. Basically, what's going to happen to Zoom is we're gonna introduce the product. You're gonna learn more about what the product is. And at the same time, you're gonna learn about business opportunities din. Kung ano yung pwede nyong pagkakitaan if you decide to actually go that route. And it's optional. Again, you can just simply buy the product and definitely you will gain a lot. At the same time, if you want to earn extra money, so side hustle lang to. It doesn't mean you have to invest yung buong oras mo dito. Pwede siyang maging part-time lang. And again, no obligation to buy. We're gonna leave our Facebook accounts or Facebook Messenger links sa description. Yung Facebook account ko or Facebook Messenger niya din. If you wanna learn more. Also, if you are already interested to buy, pwede rin kayo mag-message sa amin.
Yes, we're official distributor.
Na.
Na.
We can be your link to buy Usana products. And ang kagandahan nun, you don't need to leave your house. You don't need to leave your home to buy this. We will send you a link wherein you can purchase it yourself, pay for it online using your credit or debit card, and then we'll ship it to you. So, walang kahirap-hirap, frictionless, touchless, contactless. So, sisend lang namin yung link via Messenger. Click nyo lang yon, and then you will be routed directly to the Usana website. Check out, and you just pay for it. It's a secure site, so don't worry about your financial information. And then, pag nabili nyo yun, delivered to your doorstep.
Yes.
And ito pa, isa pang magagandaan nito, this is global. So, kahit nasa Japan kayo, nasa US, Australia, sa Europe, available to. And even if nasa ibang bansa kayo, you can order the products through us. We'll send you the link. Kapag kinlink nyo yung link, click the link. Kapag kinlink nyo yung link, you simply have to choose the country where you're at. Para yung pricing would be in your local currency. So, pag nasa US kayo, i-choose nyo lang yung country nyo as United States, and then the pricing would already be in US dollars, and at the same time, yung shipping then would also be United States. So, ganun lang siya kasimple.
So, hindi kayo mag-worry na napakatagal ng delivery kung gagaling sa Pilipinas kasi
this is not
global
the
siya.
actual item na isi-ship namin sa inyo. Para sa amin to. Pag umorder kayo sa amin, the item would actually come directly from Usana. Okay? So, we are simply like a bridge. We are Not necessarily a distributor, kasi hindi kami mismo yung nag-distribute. More of, parang ganun nga lang, parang bridge nyo lang kami. We will send you the link so you can buy it to make it easier for you. And, gano'n na, magagaling sa Usana sa US yung item or sa local kung nasa man kayo, and then it will be shipped to you. Hindi siya matagal. 2 days, within a week, dadating na sa inyo. So, that's the reason why Usana, tama ba?
Yes.
So, yun. And, abangan nyo yung mga susunod naming video kasi one of these, definitely, we are going to drink personally. If you want to learn more about the entire products of Usana, again, feel free to send us a message. Libre yan. And we're really encouraging you to learn more about Usana. Kasi, I think win-win-win situation para sa ating lahat to. Unang-una, nung nag-join kami, nung binili namin to, mas mura. The entire cost is cheaper. And again, even if we don't sell any of these, even if we do not recruit or ask people to join the healthiest family in the world, panalo na kami. Hindi na kami lugi kasi these products alone would definitely is more than worth what we've paid for it. And at the same time, if we do continue, if we do decide to further this as a business or as a side hustle, which we are planning to do, then the more na magkakaroon kami ng more opportunities. Not just to earn money, but to actually more opportunities to help other people out. Lalo na ngayon. Ano pa ba? I think that's it eh. So, again, feel free to click the like para naman matulungan nyo yung video namin na magkaroon ng exposure sa algorithm ng YouTube. Clicking the like button would definitely help us. And again, I apologize sa electric fan kasi napakainit dito. At the same time, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, pa-subscribe naman and pa-click na rin yung notification bell.
Skip yung ads, Char.
Links ng aming Facebook account so you can message us about Usana, whether you want to learn more about the product, if you're interested in joining the healthiest family in the world, or if you're simply interested in knowing more about what Usana is, what the products are, how does it benefit you, and at the same time, if you want to buy the products as well, you can message us. If you are familiar with this, you can message us through Facebook and we can send you a link of the products you like so you can buy it online and we will ship it to you in your sa bahay nyo, direct. Hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas, hindi nyo kailangan pumunta kahit kanino, hindi nyo kailangan pumunta sa kapitbahay nyo. Kami ang iyong kapitbahay na tutulong sa inyo na mas maging healthy kayo.
Kulit!
Okay. So, ayun na nga. Maraming salamat. Ako si Hans.
I'm Rhea.
Ang iyong mga kapitbahay. Bye! See you on our next vlog.